Lavick, and I'm talking to you in June of 2019. IBM just made some major changes to their IBM cloud system and is changing the way they are giving access to Coursera participants. The nice part is, if you're in the social media marketing specialization, you're going to get a lot more in terms of capabilities than you had before. And so I want to show you the changes that they've put in place. The IBM Cloud System, think of that as a collection of really great tools for artificial intelligence, machine learning, security, blockchain, database, mobile, and digital programs, as well as social analytics and social marketing. And what we're going to do is we'll give you you get the whole system, but we're going to just focus on some particular areas that are highly relevant to social analytics. It's been designed for programmers and system designers, but there's a lot of technical documentation, but there's a lot of use cases and other documentation. Plus, we'll have videos that will allow you to get into the system and see how it all works. And basically, we gave it to you to accomplish three things. First, we want you to experience how the IBM Cloud can be used for social analytics and social marketing research. We also want you to get the experience of what you could do within these sorts of systems. Cloud-based computing is a huge part of our world today, and these sort of systems can give you and your business a lot of different capabilities. And we want you to be able to explore the documentation and learning resources to see the advanced parts of the systems while you're working on the part that we'll have access to. In the past, we had to use a promo code and get only 6 months, and then you were cut off from it. That's no more. You now have lifetime limited use of the IBM Cloud System. And basically, the IBM Cloud is broken into two parts. One, there are the main core IBM Cloud computing software areas. Then there's what they call light. And light is a part of every one of the areas. But the light ones are ones that you can access, you can use, and they will show you how this all works. In other words, you can't put up a database of 5 million people and analyze it, but you can do little things to see how it all fits together and to make a business case if you wanted to develop these sort of systems in the future. Plus, some of them are fully functional, and they're the ones we're going to be using in the course. So how do you get started? It's really easy. You go to the IBM Cloud sign-up page, which you have the link. Then you either register for an IBM ID, or if you have the IBM ID already, you just log into the system. I'll show you where here in a second. Then you start enjoying it. I mean, basically, you click on that you're going to be using the IBM Cloud, and it will activate the system, and I'll show you what the start screen looks like. And then we have additional videos in the MOOCs that you can use to do specific things on the system to show you the social analytics capabilities of the IBM Cloud software. And so this would be the page you're going to go to. I'll give you the link. And then what you do is you either create a free account that you see there on the right, starting with your email address, which will be the link to your IBM ID. Or if you already have an ID, up in the upper right-hand corner, it says login. That's what you would do, and then you click on IBM Cloud, and you're into it. Hi, this is Randy Lavick speaking to you in October of 2020, and IBM has changed the look of the IBM Cloud. What you see on the screen is what you'll see when you log into the system, but getting to the resources you want is really pretty simple. What you want to do here is you want to go to Catalog, and it will bring you to this screen. Then what you want to do is over on the left-hand side, move it from Featured to Services. And once you're on Services, these are all the services that are available, but you want to scroll down the left-hand side and pick Pricing Plan Light. Just do Light. And what you have here are all the different tools that are available to you. And so as you go down through them, you'll see that there's all sorts of different systems that you can look at. And so one of them that's fun is Personality Insights. If you click on that, it will take you to the fact that it's a light pricing plan. You'll see it's for free. And then in here they have the actual system, and you can then watch videos that are attached to the About section, where you can learn a little bit about how it works and what it does. And it gives you an education in it, along with some screenshots that'll help you to better understand how to use that service. So it's a way for you to get into using all of the tools that are available in the IBM cloud. And you, as long as you're on the light version, you'll always see that they're for free for you to learn how to use IBM Cloud. And so enjoy learning from the IBM Cloud system. It's an advanced software. It's cloud computing at its best, and it's an excellent way for you to see how to better use these sorts of systems to do social analytics and to gain important insights into your high-value markets.